Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Anna from Crochet with Anna, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this very cute preemie hat. For this hat you will need medium weight yarn, 5mm hook, yarn needle and scissors. And now let's start our cute preemie hat. I start my preemie hat with slip knot, then chain 3, join to the first chain. Now you have a small ring. Chain 2 and I will make 13 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. And I'm ready with the first round. I have 13 stitches. I don't count chain 2 as a stitch. Now join to the first stitch of the round with slip stitch, and we continue with second round. Chain 2. Now make 2 double crochet in each stitch around, and when you finish second round you should have 26 stitches. And I finished second round. I have 26 stitches. I don't count chain 2 as a stitch. Join to the first stitch of the round with slip stitch. We start third round. Chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochet in the second stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, again 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, repeat till the end of the round, and when you finish third round you should have 39 stitches, and then we will stop increasing. I'm ready with third round and I have 39 stitches. I will stop increasing. Now join and we continue with round 4. Chain 2, skip the first stitch, then make 1 front post double crochet around the second stitch. Then front post double crochet around the skipped stitch. And then double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, front post double crochet around the next stitch. Front post double crochet around the skipped stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, front post double crochet around the next stitch. Front post double crochet around the skipped stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Again skip 1 stitch, front post double crochet around the next stitch. Front post double crochet around the skipped stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. And again skip 1 stitch, front post double crochet around the next stitch. Front post double crochet around the skipped stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. I will repeat till the end of the round. I finished the round with 1 double crochet in the last stitch. And we are ready with round 4. Now join to the first stitch of the round with slip stitch. I will repeat round 4 from round 5 to round 8. and we will meet at the end of round 8. And I'm ready with round 8. Now join, we continue with round 9. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Now join, we continue with round 10. Chain 1 and 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. Join, and now round 11. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I'm ready with round 11. Now join, chain 1, cut the yarn and weaving ends. And my preemie hat is ready. I hope you like it and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Till next time.